Welcome back, everybody. If you are new here, I'm Haley Edwards. I am one of the co-owners of Shaw Creek Cattle Company in Delta Junction, Alaska, and I share content on what it is like raising beef on my farm. Today, I'm going to be bringing you some of my favorite books that I have used as I started the beef business, how they have helped me and guided me through the years, and I just think you guys should have them too. This is Future Haley, just letting you guys know that I will have the links to the products in the description, and they are affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission if you buy through them. Thank you, and enjoy the video. First up, we have Ready Farmer 1. This book was made and written by the founders of Local Line, which is a marketing platform and a storefront that farmers can use. I didn't go with Local Line to be my online selling platform for a couple of reasons, but this book is really, really good. It is a great book to learn marketing, website setup, email marketing, and a number of different ways to market your products or ways to expand your business and expand your income streams. This was crucial for me as I started building up Shaw Creek Cattle Company before we ever had products to sell. And I think it's just a really good resource for anybody that is looking to start their own ag business, whether that's selling beef, vegetables, what have you. Here we have Humane Livestock Handling by Temple Grandin with Mark Deasing. Temple Grandin, if you don't know who she is the premier leader in humane livestock handling. In the 80s, she was hired by various slaughterhouses to redo and revamp their systems to ensure that the animals were getting a humane end. And thus, this has translated into other ways of handling livestock. This book was crucial to me figuring out how to better create our handling systems. It's still not perfect, but I do try to incorporate a lot of the principles that she puts in here. She goes over in the first part of the book on livestock psychology, whether it's cows, sheep, hogs, what have you, even bison handling facilities. And then in the back part of the book, she actually puts plans for various layouts. So this is a medium-sized feedlot layout. She also has, she also has a bison. Hold on, I need to find it. Small meat plant upgrade, large, small, medium, crowding gates. I'm trying to find she even does sheep sorting pens. She does hog sorting pens. There's, loading ramp with a level dock. Diagonal sorting pens. I'm trying to find the sheep one. Anyways, loads of great information here. This has really been crucial to me and understanding how I can better make my working pens. And I really think that anyone that has livestock of any kind will benefit from reading this book. Footings, costs, materials, things to consider in terms of drainage and layout. And then it really has all kinds of sheds and structures to use, whether it's for chickens or for rabbits or hogs. The hog ones I've been particularly interested in because we always struggled to find a place for the hogs. It's changed several times over the last couple of years. But this, I think if you're interested in building your own shelters for whatever kind of livestock you have, I think this is a really good book. And I'm hoping here in the next year to actually be able to use one of the plans out of here for the hogs. Next up, we have the Wortham Lectures on Animal Science by Yancy Bonsma. And this book completely changed my entire outlook on how cows and bulls and steers and heifers should look. and really all livestock, but really the focus here is on cattle. This was given to me by Katie Jones of Rocking J Ranch, and this book goes over the Bonsma ideal of having hormonally functional animals. Essentially, you can tell if an animal is hormonally functional by how the animal looks. If you have a very masculine bull, that means he's hormonally functional. If you have a very feminine bull, then there's a good chance that he's not hormonally functional, and vice versa on the cow side. I would highly recommend you get this book. You can get it on Amazon, and really, I think anybody could benefit from it. And finally, we have Man Must Measure, also by Jan Bonsma. And this is a deeper dive into Bonsma principles, and it goes over, I'm looking for the contents here. Okay, it goes over livestock ecology, selecting livestock for functional efficiency. So that's a practical, these are practical principles you can follow. Breeding livestock for functional efficiency, crossbreeding, how hide and hair affects adaptability, soil pH and soil fertility. It really encompasses every part of livestock production and how every single part of the ecosystem affects that. So those are my recommended books. I will feature the links to where to buy them. Most of these you can get on Amazon. This book you cannot find on Amazon. I do have an extra copy, and I will probably be giving it away as part of the giveaway here once I figure out what other things I want to add to the giveaway. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and if you have other books that you would recommend, please drop them in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe.